Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing how to create Steam account. Firstly, you need to open your Steam app. As we are going to create a new account, so tap on Don't Have a Steam Account. Now here you can create your account. You will be required to enter your email address, confirm your email address and country of residence. Then tap on I'm not a robot. Now here you need to agree to the terms of the Steam subscriber agreement that the person must be 13 years or above than that. Then tap on continue. Now you will be sent a verification. You need to verify your email. Let's check our email. Now here you can see Steam has sent email verification. Let's verify our email address. Now you need to enter your Steam account name and password. Now tap on sign in and after that then tap on verify my email address. After your email address has been verified, you have successfully created your Steam account. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell of this channel so that you never miss an upcoming videos. Thank you.